northbound cattle wagon, neon lights. It's driven by a man you couldn't pay me to fight. And I swear never seen a zombie until now. Lord, he looked like he'd been up for days, just swerving through the asphalt haze. And right now I'd be nervous if I was a cow. Well, this one old woman with a wagon full of kids, she looks like she just hit the skids. She left his ass, this time she ain't going back. Sitting here wishing and thinking and praying and wondering what them folks are saying about me.
Talón, punta, talón, talón, punta, talón, flick, stomp.
I'm gonna steal their stuff, but brother, I tell you I got enough. Just a bag of clothes, a tent, and a case of beer. Now this one old boy looks like a roadie for Skinner, sucking down his chicken dinners. Got a rebel flag right there on his grill. There's another one I swear looks just like
Suivets 2, 3, 4, talón, punta, talón, hook.
couple of pills. Who needs TV when you got a truck stop? Who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs MasterCard? Hell, you got
Triple step scuff.
Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke?
Jazzbox 2, 3, Jazzbox 2, 3, Jazzbox 2, 3, stomp, stomp, pausa.
Swear never seen a zombie until now. Lord, he looked like he'd been up for days, just swerving through the asphalt haze. And right now I'd be nervous if I was a cow. Well, this one old woman with a wagon full of kids, she looks like she just hit the skids.
Talón, punta, talón, hook. Triple step, hook.
Well, she's gonna drop the children off at mama. She's already got them in their pajamas and a sugar daddy waiting in a Cadillac. Ah, who needs TV when you got a truck stop? Who needs movies?
Rock, step, rock, pausa, cuarto, media patada, hook.
Who needs MasterCard? Man, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke?
Triple step scuff. Abrimos 2, 3, pausa.
This one old boy stopped to use the phone to tell his woman that he'd soon be home at the highway patrol.
Talón, punta, talón, stomp, derecha, media vuelta, derecha, media vuelta.
His hunting dogs were alright, he just might make it home tonight. The CB says it's clear for 4 more towns. Well, I've been sitting here for 4 or 5 hours. I flew a ride doing 60 miles an hour. Seems like Detroit ain't making them. Here wishing and thinking and praying and wondering what them folks are saying about me and what I'm doing here. Yeah, they're looking like I'm gonna steal their stuff, but brother...
Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, un cuarto, scuff.
Now this one old boy looks like a roadie for Skinner, sucking down his chicken dinners. Got a rebel flag right there on his grill. There's another one I swear looks just like Hank. He stopped in here to gas his tank, buy a pack of smokes.
Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, paso, stomp.
When you got a truck stop, who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs MasterCard? Hell, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke? Yeah, northbound cattle wagon, neon lights. It's driven by a man you couldn't pay me to fight. And I swear never seen a zombie until now. Lord, he looked like he'd been...
Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, paso, stomp.
I'd be nervous if I was a cow. Well, this one old woman with a wagon full of kids, she looks like she just hit the skids. She left his ass, this time she ain't going back. Well, she's gonna drop the children off at mama. She's already got them in their pajamas and a sugar daddy.
Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, un cuarto, scuff.
When you got a truck stop, who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs MasterCard? Man, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it?
Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, paso, stomp. Básico 2, 3, stomp, salto, salto, al sitio, stomp.
To tell his woman that he'd soon be home at the highway patrol to let him put the hammer down. And he asked if his hunting dogs were alright, he just might make it home tonight. The CB says it's clear for 4 more towns. Sitting here wishing and thinking and praying and wondering what them folks are saying about me and what I'm doing here. Yeah, they're looking like I'm gonna steal their stuff, but brother, I tell you, I got enough. Just a bag of clothes, a tent, and a case of beer. Now this one old boy looks like a roadie for Skinner, sucking down his chicken dinners. Got a rebel flag right there on his grill. There's another one I swear looks just like Hank. He stopped in here to gas his tank, buy a pack of smokes and pop a couple of pills. Who needs TV when you got a truck stop? Who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs MasterCard? Hell, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke? Yeah, northbound cattle wagon, neon lights. It's driven by a man you couldn't pay me to fight. And I swear never seen a zombie until now. Lord, he looked like he'd been up for days, just swerving through the asphalt haze. And right now I'd be nervous if I was a cow. Well, this one old woman with a wagon full of kids, she looks like she just hit the skids. She left his ass, this time she ain't going back. Well, she's gonna drop the children off at mama. She's already got them in their pajamas and a sugar daddy waiting in a Cadillac. Ah, who needs TV when you got a truck stop? Who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs a MasterCard? Man, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke? This one old boy stopped to use the phone to tell his woman that he'd soon be home at the highway patrol to let him put the hammer down. And he asked if his hunting dogs were alright, he just might make it home tonight. The CB says it's clear for 4 more towns. Well, I've been sitting here for 4 or 5 hours. I flew a ride doing 60 mile an hour. Seems like Detroit ain't making them like they did. But I'm glad there's all this stuff to see, cause if it weren't for them it'd just be me. And I do believe I would've lit my lid. Who needs TV when you got a truck stop? Who needs movies when you got the road? Who needs MasterCard? Hell, you got a Visa. Who needs to fix it if it ain't broke? Yeah, who needs to fix it if it ain't broke?